Hey everybody, Jay here with FastFairHomeOffers.com. Thank you for helping me build the #1 video channel for Des Moines, Iowa real estate. As always, I'm open to working with other real estate professionals, real estate investors, real estate agents, brokers, title companies, attorneys, sellers, buyers, and everybody in between. Today I want to do a quick video about the Iowa probate process. Now let me disclaim this before I get into this. I'm not an attorney. I'm not giving you legal advice. If you need help with probate you're involved in or about to be involved in, talk to a competent attorney. If you want a good referral for a local attorney in Des Moines, Iowa, or anywhere in Iowa, reach me at jay@fastfairhomeoffers.com. I'm happy to point you in the right direction. A good attorney can make or break your cases, as you should know. The Iowa probate process. How long does probate take in Iowa? It can take anywhere from a year out to 2 years or possibly longer. I believe there is a statute that it can't go more than 3 years unless the court has extended the time. Basically, probate in Iowa is the court supervising the distribution of assets of the estate of whoever has passed away, whether they have a will or not. What happens is they appoint an executor or a personal representative to handle all these matters, and they get compensated. I believe it's like $220 or $220 plus 2% of the gross value of the estate. The probate process basically validates the will and prevents any fraud. So nobody can come and say, hey, yeah, Joe said he was going to give me his 1966 Corvette convertible. That should go to the families or siblings or parents or children or a spouse instead of just anybody who claims they have a right to the castle. What happens is they notify all creditors by typically publishing in the newspaper a notice of probate of will or something to that effect, the notice of probate or a notice of a trust if the assets are the living trust, which is the best way typically to transfer assets, especially real estate, is in a land trust or a living trust. The asset would go right to the beneficial interest of the trust. If you want a copy of the trust I use for real estate, email me, jay@fastfairhomeoffers.com. Again, I'm not a lawyer, but I was prepared by a lawyer, and you can have your attorney review it and help you fill it out. It's a definite leg up if you need help. The real estate gets appraised or valued. Basically, the courts, I believe, allow a real estate agent, broker, to appraise the property or give what's called a BPO, which is a broker price opinion. That can be challenged if it's too low or too high, whatever the case may dictate. So if you need help with that, I buy houses, I buy and sell houses. So if you're looking to sell a property in probate, go to my website, fastfairhomeoffers.com. Call me at 515-809-2274 or email me, jay@fastfairhomeoffers.com. I'm happy to help. The real estate, after it's valued, and if you have a buyer for it, I believe can typically be sold before the estate gets settled. The proceeds of the sale of the real estate can help pay for the other creditors are involved, credit cards, other loans, possibly an estate recovery where they have been given care by the state of Iowa for their health. If they're in a nursing home or whatever, they're on Title 19. The real estate can pay for those or reimburse the state or pay those creditors. Then there's the final distribution of the property. After that is done and taxes are paid, and then cash or assets are distributed to the heirs. Again, if you have a property for sale, I'd love to make an offer on it for you, all cash, and we'll close in a very timely manner. So call me at 515-809-2274.